Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi Q3 brake pads. First, gather your essential tools, including a reliable jack, a lug wrench, and your new brake pads. Next, ensure your Audi Q3 is parked on a level, stable surface and securely supported with jack stands. Carefully remove the wheel, then locate and loosen the caliper bolts to prepare for pad removal. Safety is paramount, so double-check all your supports before proceeding. Now, let's remove those old brake pads. Use a caliper piston compression tool to gently push the piston back into its housing. This creates space for the new, thicker pads. Once the piston is compressed, carefully slide the old brake pads out of the caliper assembly. Take a moment to inspect your brake rotor for any grooves, cracks, or uneven wear, as this might indicate a need for replacement too. With the old pads out, it's time for the new ones. Carefully insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they sit correctly and are properly aligned. Reattach the caliper, making sure all bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specified torque. If you open the brake fluid system or suspect air has entered, you'll need to bleed the brake lines to maintain proper braking performance. After installing the new pads, pump the brake pedal several times before starting the engine. This helps to seat the new pads against the rotor and ensures proper brake pressure. Then, take your Audi Q3 for a cautious test drive at low speeds, listening for any unusual noises and checking brake responsiveness. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home as well-maintained as your car. Enjoy your refreshed braking performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.